How can we touch him? You can't touch someone you can't see. Can you? You can't touch someone you can't feel. But we can touch Krishna. We can touch Krishna in his sound form. His form in sound. Nam Rup Avatar. Kali Kalera Dharma. In Kali Yuga, Krishna comes in Nam Rup Avatar. He descends in this age in the form, in the body of his holy name, Nam Rup. Krishna Nam Rupam. Nama Chintamani Krishnas. Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Vigraha means form. Archamurti. Deity. Deity. Idol. Murti. Vigraha. And it's Nama Chintamani Krishna's Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Chaitanya is alive. This Vigraha is living. This Nam Vigraha is alive. If Krishna is standing before you, he's very much Chaitana. Nityo Nityananam, Chaitanas Chaitananam. Nityo Nityananam, Chaitanas Chaitananam. Krishna is very much Chaitana. And he's very much alive.